Hey everybody, thank you for watching and tuning into this video. So by the title you can probably tell I will just be showing you how I wrap my hair. So my hair is silk pressed. Present day in this video, it's about a week and a half old. And it still looks decent. I had some curls in my hair earlier in that day. So I just combing out those curls, trying to get everything even. I'm still working on my hair and just trying to get it to where I really want it to be, where it's really healthy. So this is kind of like the method that I use. So you can see here, I've just combed it out. It's all in my face and I look like that girl from The Ring. But yeah, I'm just combing it out and I'm going to start wrapping it, which involves me like going in that beehive type of look. So you'll see me here, just kind of splitting it down the middle and the back, bringing that hair up towards the front. And I'm just going to wrap it in a circle. You'll see me do a lot of like combing just to try to smooth it out. My hair is really thick and it can get pretty frizzy. So I'm just kind of smoothing it out, going in a circle. That's all you're doing when you wrap. You won't see me use any product. I like to stay free from any products when I am wearing my hair silk pressed, because any oils and things like that will just weigh down the hair and it will not be bouncy and fluffy, like how it's supposed to be when it's pressed out. I've been natural now, a long time. If it's 2022, I would say I probably had my last perm in about 2014. And I'm just now starting to wear it straightened. So yeah, I'm just wrapping here, wrapping, combing. You'll see me grab 2 bobby pins because my hair is just very thick and it will not stay. As you can see, it's falling. It won't stay unless I use the bobby pins. So again, smoothing it out. And then you'll see me clip those bobby pins in soon. So if you like this type of content, these types of videos, please let me know. Leave a comment. If you did watch and stay till the end, leave me a comment, leave me a thumbs up. Feel free to share and definitely subscribe. I am new to YouTube, so I'm excited for all the content that I'm going to be putting out. So you definitely don't want to miss any of that. Just subscribe so that you can see all of the great ideas that I have out there. All right, so now I'm just clipping the bobby pin in, and then I'll clip another one like in the back. And then soon you'll see me grab my scarf. It's just a regular old plain black silk scarf. Got it from the beauty supply. You can get one from your local beauty supply. It don't have to be like a Sally's beauty supply. It can literally be, a hood beauty supply, I guess is what it's called. A black bag beauty supply. All right, so I'm grabbing my scarf, and then I remembered that I needed to get my castor oil for my edges. So you'll see that in a minute. That's just me taking a castor oil. I'm about to rub it literally on my temples to help promote growth. So if you've seen other videos, you know I'm a mom. I had a baby almost 6 months ago, and hair loss with pregnancy and postpartum and whatnot. So I'm just kind of trying to stay consistent with putting the castor oil on there. You could also use like coconut oil. It's good for growth as well, or maybe like a wild grow product. You can see that's the castor oil I use. Nothing special. Got it from the beauty supply. So yeah, now I'm taking my scarf. And if I did look like sleepy or sad or mean or something in this video, I was just tired. That's all. Just real sleepy. You know, it'd be like that. Mom life. So yeah, I'm just tying this up, and that'll pretty much be the end. I usually put a bonnet on top of that, and that is how I sleep. And also when I shower, I keep the bonnet on there as well, just because, you know, humidity from the steam in the shower can cause your hair to frizz back up. So yeah, that's all with that. If you have questions or comments, you can just leave them below. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.